Have you ever looked at your phone ringing and felt your heart freeze up like ice inside your chest? Did you refuse to answer it just because you knew the person on the other side was going to speak to you in English? What if I promised you that in exactly 20 minutes, that heavy mountain of fear will transform into a wave of pure confidence? What if you could actually look forward to making your next English phone call without any anxiety at all? Welcome back to day 7 of our 10-day shadowing challenge here at Talk and Learn English. Emma cannot be here with us today, so I am Leo, your guest guide for this session. Together, we are going to break this invisible barrier once and for all. Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome back to our safe space for learning. If you have made it all the way to day 7, you should be incredibly proud of your journey. Consistency is the secret key that unlocks the door to fluency. Today, we are diving into something that terrifies almost every single English learner: phone conversations. Why is speaking on the phone so much harder than talking face to face? It is because when you cannot see a person's eyes, you lose 50% of the visual clues. You cannot see their lips moving or their hand gestures to help your brain understand. It feels like walking through a thick fog without a map, doesn't it? But don't worry, because today we are going to light a lantern in that fog. By practicing natural, daily phrases together through shadowing, we will build a solid bridge over your doubts. You are not alone anymore, because we are doing this together, step by step. Let me share a quick story with you from my own life. A few years ago, when I was living abroad and learning a new language myself, my internet connection suddenly stopped working at home. I had to call the customer service helpline to get it fixed. I wrote down exactly what I wanted to say on a piece of paper. My hands were shaking, and my heart was beating like a trapped bird. When the agent answered, he spoke so fast, like a rushing river. My mind went completely blank, and I forgot every word I wrote down. I could not understand a single sentence, and I felt so ashamed that I just hung up the phone. I sat in the dark, feeling like a complete failure. Have you ever felt that way? Have you ever felt like a child who doesn't know anything? Please listen to me carefully, that feeling is not the truth. It is just a temporary storm. The rain always stops, and the sun always returns. That experience taught me that we don't need to be perfect to communicate. We just need a few simple, reliable tools to protect us when we feel lost on a call. Let's learn those tools right now. We are going to break a standard phone call into 4 simple, beautiful rooms. For each room, I will give you the exact keys you need to open the door. Room 1, answering and starting the call. When the phone rings, you don't need a complex speech. You just need a warm, clear opening. Hello, this is Leo speaking. Hi, it's Leo here. Is this Emma? Thank you for calling. How can I help you today? Imagine the person on the other side is smiling when they hear you. Your voice is a warm light greeting them. Room 2, asking for someone or stating the purpose. Why are you calling them? Let's make your intention crystal clear without wasting words. I'm calling to ask about the project. Could I speak to Emma, please? I was wondering if you have time to talk today? See how smooth that is? You are in total control of your words. Room 3, the rescue phrases. This is your safety net for when you get stuck. If the conversation gets too fast, or the line is bad, use these emotional shields. There is absolutely no shame in asking for help. I'm sorry, the line is a bit bad. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? I want to make sure I catch everything. Let me double-check if I understood correctly. Did you say? These phrases are your anchor in the middle of an ocean wave. They give your brain a moment to breathe. Room 4, saying goodbye elegantly. Closing a call cleanly prevents that awkward, lingering silence at the end. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. It was great talking to you. Take care. I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye. Now, let's build the muscle memory in your tongue. I am going to say a daily life phone phrase. I want you to repeat it right after me during the pause. Don't think about grammar, just copy the music of my voice. Pause for you. Hello, thanks for returning my call. Pause for you. Hi there, can you hear me clearly? Pause for you. I'm sorry, I missed that last part. Pause for you. Hold on a moment, let me get a pen. Pause for you. Could you spell your name for me, please? Pause for you. No problem at all, I understand completely. Pause for you. I will pass on the message to her as soon as possible. Pause for you. Is there a better time for me to call you back? Pause for you. That sounds perfect. I will see you then. Pause for you. Thanks again for your help. Goodbye. Excellent. Feel your voice growing stronger? Let's do 10 more common phrases for work and life. Pause for you. I am calling to confirm our appointment for tomorrow. Pause for you. Could you tell him that Leo called? Pause for you. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a quick minute? Pause for you. My battery is about to die. Let me call you right back. Pause for you. I think we have a bad connection out here. Pause for you. Let me check my calendar and get back to you. Pause for you. Can I leave a message for her, please? Pause for you. Thank you for clarifying that for me. Pause for you. I appreciate your patience while I find the information. Pause for you. Alright, I think that covers everything we need. Now we reach the deepest part of our journey today, the shadowing technique. If you are new to the channel, shadowing means you do not wait for me to finish speaking. Instead, you speak at the same time as me, like an echo. You must copy my rhythm, my pauses, my emotion, and my pronunciation. We will start with 3 short sentences. Then we will shadow a complete, realistic phone conversation paragraph together. Take a deep breath. Let the tension leave your shoulders. Let's begin. Short shadowing sentences. Hi Emma, it's Leo. I'm just calling to see if we are still on for lunch today at 1 o'clock. Oh, I see, no problem at all. We can easily reschedule it for sometime next week when you are less busy. Just send me a quick text message whenever you know your schedule, and have a beautiful day. Long shadowing paragraph. Instructions: shadow me continuously as I read this fluid, natural phone interaction line by line. Hello, thank you for calling customer care. My name is Leo. How can I assist you today? Oh, hi there. I completely understand your concern about the delayed delivery, so please don't worry. We are going to fix this together right now. Could you kindly hold the line for just one quick moment while I pull up your account information on my computer screen? Perfect, thank you so much for your patience. I see exactly what happened here, and I will make sure your package arrives safely at your doorstep by tomorrow afternoon at the very latest. Is there anything else I can help you clear up today, or does that cover everything you needed? Wonderful. It was an absolute pleasure speaking with you. Take care, and have a truly beautiful rest of your week. Look at what you just did. You spoke a long, beautiful sequence of English sentences without stopping. I want you to realize something profound right now. Your English does not have to be flawless to be beautiful. Mistakes are not crimes. They are just signs that you are trying, growing, and climbing your personal mountain. Think of your language journey like the phases of the moon. Sometimes you feel full of bright light and express yourself perfectly. Other times, you feel hidden in darkness, struggling to find a simple word. But just like the moon, even when you cannot see your own progress, you are still whole. You are still moving forward every single day. Do not let fear lock you inside a silent prison. The person on the other end of the phone is just another human being. They have their own worries, their own flaws, and their own stories. They are not judging you. Speak with your heart, use your safety phrases, and let your confidence shine like a fire in the winter cold. Before you close this video and return to your busy life, I want you to promise me you will take one small step today. Your homework for day 7 is very simple. Go to the comments section below right now and type out your favorite rescue phrase that we learned today. Write down the one phrase you will use the next time an English call catches you by surprise. By writing it down, you are signing a contract with your future, more confident self. I will personally read and reply to your comments. Thank you so much for opening your heart and practicing with me today. Emma will be back with you very soon. It has been an absolute honor to walk alongside you for day 7 of this challenge. If this lesson brought a little bit of light to your day, please press the like button. Subscribe to Talk and Learn English right now. Share this video with a friend who is also fighting their own fears. Tomorrow, for day 8, we are going to tackle something truly exciting. We will learn how to express your deep emotions and opinions naturally in casual conversations. You do not want to miss it. Until then, keep shining, keep breathing, and remember that every small word you speak brings you closer to your dreams. Goodbye, and take care.